Hi, my name is Gaël Doucet-Gagnon. I've been skating for 16 years and I studied in civil engineering. From that knowledge, I want to create a jig that fits every blade on the market, so today I'm going to show you how to use it.
The first step is to check the length of your blades and adjust the jig at the correct position. Mines are 17 inch, so I chose a 17 inch mark. Make sure that the adjusting handle is nice and tight, so there is no loose in the frame. The second step is to install the blades on the frame. You need to loose the clamp. Make sure that both blades touch the toe piece. While tightening the blades, keep one hand pushing at the top of them. This will ensure that they don't move. If your blades don't fit, you can remove or add the height adjuster. Just use a 2mm Allen key to get it off. If you want to put it back, be sure to push on it while getting a screw tight. This will ensure that it's in the right position. If your blades are very worn, you can use the level. After you install the blades, install the level and make sure that it's aligned with the jig frame. You will need to keep the blades touching the level and the toe piece when tightening them, so keep pushing into the blades. Don't forget to remove the level when sharpening your blades.
After completing these easy steps, you can now start sharpening your blades. Thank you for watching and have fun skating!